So I'm going to take a step back from the Vaydor for a quick second. We're just going to install a spoiler on a C7 Corvette. So you line the 3M tape up on the back of the spoiler. It should come with it depending on the kit you get. Peel it all off and then literally just tape it down to the back of the car. Alright, spoiler's on, looks much better. Back to the Vaydor. Okay, so this just came in the mail, as you can see. Seats. These are temporary, so no one get upset that they're the cheap eBay seats. They're replicas of the ones I want. I'll unwrap them, unbox them, show you what they are, and then show you what I actually am getting. Or maybe, depending on how these fit. So they're actually much higher quality than I thought. I'll put them together and then show you them as a whole, but this is pretty much them, nice and bright red. Here's the first seat all put together. Overall, it's not actually that bad. These are just cheap eBay racing seats. The ones I want though, I'm gonna try to put them beside so you can compare them. They're Brom, they're about $1,000, so not too bad, but these were only 200, so I decided try these. They're pretty much identical replicas, or at least for the style. So if these look good in the car, then I'll end up getting the Brom ones. If not, I'll try a different style, see what happens. So I did a little more work with the fitment. I did it off camera basically because there was just a lot of trial and error. Moved it around until I got the kit to line up where it needs to, and once it got lined up, I drilled holes on this plate and bolted it in. When you get your G35, there'll already be bolts there. I just got longer ones of the same thread pattern and it bolted right down. The kit is actually, just with those two bolts, the kit's actually pretty secure. Obviously still gonna weld it. So next video, or one of the videos coming up very soon, I'll be taking the kit back off, welding the roll cage down, and then welding all the tabs on the cage for the door hinges, the mounting points for the body onto the cage to glue it down. And as you can see, there's a good bit of surface rust on here, so once the cage is in, I will sand it all down and paint it, that way it doesn't rust. Once I get everything welded up, you weld tabs underneath that go onto the cage and then line up with the fiberglass, and then use those as mounting points. I got 3M panel bonding adhesive, and you need a special 2-part caulking gun. I got this one on Amazon for I think $35. Normally they're about 100. So if you need a cheap one, it's pretty high quality, strong metal, everything. $35 on Amazon. I can put a link in the description. But yeah, you just lay this stuff down. It comes with a mixing nozzle you put on. I don't have it with me right now. And you squirt it on, and then basically just lay the body on and make sure it's all touching where it needs to. And your kit will be installed.